How to clear cache on your Emo app easy and quick. Hi guys. In this video I will show you how to clear cache on your Emo app. The first method, which is go to your settings. You're gonna find app. Click on it and choose Emo app. Once you are there, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now you can, the second method, which is go to your Emo, go to your profile, click on settings and click on storage and data, and you have manage storage, and here you can click your info cache from your app. Easy and quick. You can choose the method you want. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.